doing, young lady?
So good.
Do you prefer Jenny or Jennifer?
Jenny.
Jenny? All right, Jenny. We're right on. So what are we doing today?
We're jumping out of an airplane.
Why would you do something like that?
For the thrill.
Just for the thrill of it?
Yeah.
Is there anyone back at home you want to give a shout out to? All the friends and family know this is happening?
My mom and my dad and my grandma.
And you told them you were doing this?
Yeah.
She's gonna have so much fun. I'm gonna bring her back safe for you guys. We're gonna see you and her. Alright, give me one. There it is, young lady. Go stand in front of those ladies over there. Just get in there. You guys are buddies now. Yeah, I'm getting in on this. Big smile at that camera. Jenny, what'd you think, young lady?
That was awesome.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Would you do it again?
Totally.
Absolutely incredible. What was the best part?
When we first jumped out.
That first few.
The free fall.
That first little bit. That's
Yeah.
a big one. That's a big one.
That was crazy.
What do you want to tell the folks at home now?
I didn't die. Sorry, I went up.
That's right. We didn't die. We had fun. Give me one on top, girl. Hey, one more thing to do before we get out of here.
Yeah.
Wave goodbye to the folks at home. See ya, suckers.